What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a 2023 Dodge Durango started if the key fob dies. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the vehicle as I normally would, it's not going to start, and I'm going to get a message on the dash saying key fob not detected. So what I'm going to do is grab my key fob, and I'm going to use the top of it to press the stop start button. So I'm going to come over here, press the brake in like you normally would. Then I'm going to use the top of the key fob to press the stop start button. And then once the vehicle is started, you'll be able to drive as you normally would. And then the only other thing you'll want to do is replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.